Hey guys, it's Brian with Old Man New Tech, and today we are checking out the Soundpeats Air3 Pro wireless earbuds. Let me get the model on this side. And it's appropriate that I'm outdoors because it is noisy out here. I got lawnmowers in the background, I got birds that chirping, and these are active noise canceling earbuds from Soundpeats, a company that we know and love on this channel, because I tell you what, I've not seen a bad pair of earbuds from them yet. We're gonna check these out and get them out of the box for you right now. But first, full disclosure, sometimes companies send me these products and sometimes I buy them myself, but I always give you my honest recommendations, so you want to stick around to the end to hear the pros and the cons. Now, let's get them out of the box. Woo! Okay, we're unboxing the Soundpeats Air3 Pro wireless earbuds. So yeah, we got our typical Soundpeats model on here and Air3 Pro right there, but I tell you what, this is not an unboxing video. This is a product review video. Let's unbox this Old Man New Tech style. Alright, and this is everything we get with the Soundpeats Air3 Pro wireless earbuds. Got my user's manual, I'll check this out later. Looks like I've got two additional sets of earbud tips. These are silicone. And we have our Type-C charging cable, and you will need to keep track of this because unfortunately the Air3 Pro case is not Qi wireless charging compatible.
No way!
Finally, we have the case itself. It's got a nice flat black matte finish. Say that 3 times real fast. It's got a nice flat black matte finish. It's got a nice flat black matte finish. It's got a nice flat black matte finish. I can see the Soundpeats logo embedded on the top. There is a reset button around the back below the hinge. Speaking of the hinge, it snaps nice and tight so your earbuds will not shake out of there. And inside we have our earbuds labeled L and R for left and right. I can see the microphones on the earbuds themselves. And it does require quite a bit of dexterity to get these earbuds out of the case. But once out, they are typical Soundpeats minimalist design. I do like the logos on the touchpad out here so you can kind of see where you need to touch to get your controls. And I do like the stem style. It's a shortened stem style, so it's not going to be too obnoxious. And they fit in there really nice. I can see a green light that flashes on there that shows me that the case is charged. And we'll do the magnetic test on these to see how well they stick in the case. Yep, they stick in there pretty good. But overall, I like the size of the case. Very small, which is probably indicative of the fact that it's not Qi wireless charging. I see no problems putting this into my jean pockets and having it go unnoticed. But hey, that's what they look like. Let's get them synced up and see how they sound. Alright, so I've been using the Soundpeats Air3 Pros now for a couple of weeks. What I love about these is I have some Soundpeat open ear earbuds, and those are really nice, but they're really not my style. I do like an inner ear with silicone tip earbud because it tends to block out a lot of the exterior noises, and when I'm working on something or doing something around the house, vacuum cleaning, mowing the lawn, whatever, I like to be able to cancel out some of that background noise. So I'm happy to say the Air3 Pros cancel out up to 35 decibels of noise, and I've got the option to go transparent if I want to be able to bring some of that exterior noise in so I can hear what's going on around me. As you can see, the case, well, she's tiny, and I do like the styling on the case. That black matte finish. Doesn't show a lot of fingerprints off the bat. I will say that after a while it will pick up some of the oils off your hands. But other than that, clean looking, I like the styling. Now I've got 12mm drivers in here, as well as QCC3040 and aptX chipsets in here. And let me tell you, these really contribute a lot to fantastic sound separation and almost zero lag when it comes to gaming. Speaking of gaming, you also have a low latency mode. And Bluetooth 5.2 guarantees that I get 0 breakups. I had no problems with any sort of connection issues. And from a battery usage standpoint, I had 0 problems getting at least 5 to 6 hours out of the earbuds, and was able to charge them 4 times. So I get about 24 hours of usage with a charged case and earbuds. And you'll be happy to know that with mirroring technology, I can use the earbuds independently of each other, swapping them in and out depending on what I wanted to hear from which side of my beautiful head. And I also like the little light in front of the case that lets you know what your battery level is. Green being something good, I guess. And the fact that Soundpeats is bringing all these features in at under $50 is also a really good thing. Now back to some of the features. The sound is incredible, but also the mic quality on these earbuds is also top-notch. They have CVC 8.0 noise canceling so that you're able to get really clear calls and be able to drown out a lot of that noise that's behind you in the background, such as a puppy playing with their toys off camera. But I want you guys to be able to hear that mic quality yourself, so here's a sample right here. All right, we're checking out the microphone quality of the Soundpeats Air3 Pros, and I'm outdoors because I want to hear what you guys think of the sound in the background and how my voice is coming through. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. So we talked about the features, we talked about the mic quality, now let's talk about the sound. The sound on the Soundpeats Air3 Pros is dynamic. I mean, I really enjoyed the sound separation. The 12mm dynamic drivers really delivered a punchy bass, but it did not drown out the mids or the crisp high. So I'm really getting a nice open sound stage, even though I'm using an inner ear earbud. So again, color me impressed for the sound coming out of these earbuds for something that's under 50 bucks. And with that, I'm going to dive right into the pros and cons of the Soundpeats Air3 Pros. First, the pros. They are fantastic sounding earbuds with a great fit. I really like the fact that the stems are there so you're getting good mic quality, but they're not so long that they're obnoxious looking. I love the size of the case. I love the fact that it can fit into my jeans just fine. And I like the finish on the case as well. The active noise canceling works really good. In fact, I jumped on a friend of mine's boat, and when he started up the motor, I activated the active noise canceling, and it completely made the motor sound disappear. And finally, I really dug the call quality. It's really a fantastic pair of earbuds from a call standpoint and a sound standpoint. So this is going to be a short video because my cons, and they are few, are still there, but they're very minor for what you're getting at this budget price. My first con is that the case is not Qi wireless compatible. I mean, I really do wish Soundpeats would come out with a budget pair where I could just plop the case down on a wireless pad and charge it up. My second con is that the earbuds themselves are a little difficult for my old man hands, old man fingers, to get the earbuds out of the case. They're very molded into this case. I know it's a small case, but they're a little difficult for me to get out. But that's it. I mean, other than that, they sound great. I love the styling. They do what they're supposed to, and they come in at a great budget price. Again, I'll throw the links down below so you can check out that price. But overall, I have to give the Soundpeats Air3 Pros a fantastic buy now recommendation. I got them synced up to my phone. I'm gonna plug these in and we're gonna rock out. I will see you guys later. Hey, this is Brian with Old Man New Tech. We can't make this channel happen without you, so please hit subscribe and smash that bell down below. And if you're looking for product links, you'll find them there too. Thank you.